আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছেন। So আজকের লেসনটা একটু ডিফারেন্ট। আমরা previously শিখেছি all the fundamentals related to the pronunciation of the various alphabets, numbers, idioms and other related stuff. কিন্তু আজকের লেসনটা হচ্ছে তাদের জন্য যারা এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো successful implementable strategy খুঁজে পাননি English improve করার জন্য. In this video I've narrowed it down to 13 different strategies. These are the most prominent strategies. There could be potentially more than 13. However, these are the most effective ones as compared to the rest. So I'll be going through each and every single one of them in great detail. So as you guys know, English is unequivocally one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. Go to any city in the world, whether it's Beijing, Dubai, or even here in Melbourne, and you're likely able to communicate with the locals in English. Not only that, English is also the primary language used by many companies, so your employment may very well depend on how proficient you are in English. In fact, according to a survey by JobStreet, English proficiency is one of the top deciding factors when hiring fresh graduates. Strategy number 1. Surround yourself with English. Put yourself in an English-speaking environment so that you can learn passively through listening. College is a great time for you to break barriers, so don't just stick to familiar friends, make new friends who speak mostly in English, join college clubs and societies that conduct activities in English, and most importantly, don't be shy and just converse in English. Strategy number 2. Learn one new word each day. Don't learn 10 or 20 words a day. Learn just one. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Once you've learnt the word, keep using it throughout the day, in your conversations with friends and family for the day, even if it sounds ridiculous. Here are some of our favorite learn a word a day sites: dictionary.com, WordThink, the Learning Network, on the New York Times. So you could use these three websites, to learn new words every single day and improve, your vocabulary. Strategy number 3, read, and read some more. There's no running from it. If you want to improve your English, reading is the key. Start with the newspaper or any online site with topics that you find interesting, whether it's the latest tech news, football, or even gardening. Try reading fictional novels too, which will expose you to a different style of writing. Sites like Project Gutenberg offer a wide range of free ebooks. So this is one of the prominent websites you could use to get free ebooks completely for free. Strategy number 4. Practice English with a friend. Doing it with a friend always makes things easier, since you will hold each other accountable if one person is slacking off. Speak to each other in English frequently and don't be afraid to correct one another. To make things more interesting, you can even have an embarrassing punishment for the person who skips out on tasks the most often, like missing to learn a word a day. Strategy number 5. Listen to English radio stations. Fly FM, Hits.fm and Red FM are some of the most popular English radio stations in Malaysia and worldwide. By tuning into these English radio stations, you can train your listening skills and learn how English sentences are constructed. Most of the DJs are entertaining to listen to as well, so you'll be having some fun at the same time. Strategy number 6, pay attention to your surroundings. Whenever you are out and about, take note of all the billboards, posters, and signboards that are around you. Advertisements are particularly great because they often use catchy phrases to attract your attention. When you're in the supermarket, mentally identify the items on display in English. If you don't know what something is, remember to jot it down and find out later. Strategy number 7. Start your own blog. Love food? Start a food blog. Know a thing or two about gadgets? Write about that. Writing down your thoughts, ideas, and opinions will not only improve your English, but also help you articulate and structure what's on your mind. It doesn't matter if it's about your daily agenda or the most random of topics. Keep practicing your writing by blogging out your interests. Strategy number 8. Learn English through song lyrics. This is probably one of the most effective methods I could say. So yeah, there's no better way to learn while having some fun. Pick your favorite tune, look up the lyrics online and sing along. Songs are a great way to learn a new language, not just English, by the way, because they contain useful vocabulary and lots of everyday words and phrases, so you won't be stuck learning words that no one uses anymore. Phrases that are learnt through songs tend to stick better too, because of the catchy tune that comes with it. Strategy number 9, record yourself speaking. You probably know how English words are supposed to sound like, but do you know how it sounds when they are uttered out of your mouth? Words may sound a little different because you may not be pronouncing them properly. Record yourself reading an article or a book and go back and listen to what you said, making sure you notice your strengths and weaknesses. Strategy number 10, watch movies and TV shows. Movies and TV shows or even YouTube videos are a great way to improve your English and have fun at the same time. Films and videos are usually dedicated for native speakers, so you'll be hearing the English language just as how you would in real life. Spoken quickly with lots of colloquial, everyday phrases as well as slang. Watch whatever that interests you, whether it's a superhero blockbuster movie, Jimmy Fallon's Tonight Show on YouTube, or even the Game of Thrones. Strategy number 11, learn as many words as you can from a single category. Are you a foodie? Learn all the words related to food and cooking. If you're into photography, then pick up words related to that field instead. You may think that this may be too specific, but you'll be surprised how many words in the English language are related. For example, if you've learnt the word flambe as part of your food vocabulary, you will realize that words like flammable, inflammation, and flambe are all connected and has nothing to do with flame. Strategy number 12, imitate your favorite actor. All you have to do is pick yourself a celebrity like Robert De Niro or Dwayne Johnson and try speaking like them. Listen to some dialogue and phrases and repeat what they say. Shadowing someone's way of speaking can help improve your intonation and pronunciation so that you emphasize the right syllables. Strategy number 13, and most importantly, keep speaking and practicing. This is where most students stumble. Due to lack of confidence, students tend to avoid speaking in English for fear of saying the wrong thing. Don't be afraid. In order for you to be able to improve your English, you must keep practicing and speaking out loud. Find every opportunity to speak in English, whether it's giving directions to a stranger, ordering a burger from McDonald's, or even conversing among your friends. Always remember that in order to improve in anything, you need lots of practice. So that's pretty much it. If you guys found this video useful, I'd appreciate if you guys could subscribe to the channel and share it around with people who you think might benefit from my YouTube videos. Cheers.